Hey, it's Sam here. Welcome to Affiliate Raid. This is a selection of softwares that you can rebrand and use in your opt-in pages. Now, typically with a squeeze page or an opt-in page, you give away a PDF report or an ebook. Now, this doesn't really convert like it used to. That's where software comes in. With Affiliate Raid, you get 10 softwares that you can use to be able to capture people as email leads right within your squeeze page. It gets even better. You can actually hone in these leads even more by capturing the leads that register the software, ensuring they're the sorts of people that take action. Okay, so when a person downloads one of these softwares off your squeeze page that you've rebranded, you turned into your own, or even just as it is, the registration email address is going to go to your autoresponder. You can sync up your autoresponder right within here, within the integrations. Okay, you can sync an ActiveCampaign, Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, Market Hero, and SendLane. You can sync up all of these and get leads directly to these as people register your software, ensuring your leads are the best of the best. You can then carry out marketing campaigns to these people, send them through your own email funnel as you wish. This is all hosted within a cloud-based dashboard where you can download these, view your contact list as well. Okay, where they have come through and got in and registered products. Also within this is a number of tutorials to help you get started with rebranding these and putting them on your site as well. So it's that simple, it's step by step, that easy. Download these, put them on your squeeze page. As people register them and become your leads, you'll know they're a highly qualified lead. So check it out in detail down below for more information. This is Sam. It's been a pleasure to give you an overview of Affiliate Raid here today.